Hello and welcome to our video. Today we're talking about signs do not follow, they precede, according to Neville Goddard. If you're new to spirituality, you may have wondered if you are on the right track, or if your manifestation is near or approaching. It is quite reasonable to ask a question like that, especially if you are new to the law. And maybe you need some kind of guidance from the universe and reassurance that what you do is right, so it's quite usual to ask for signs. But what if I told you that asking for signs is not what you think it is? So stick until the end and let me explain some things for you. Because in this video I will show you how asking for signs can slow down your manifestation and how to fix it. And of course, if you enjoy this kind of content, you can always subscribe to our channel and leave a like on our videos. Thank you. So let's start. Asking for signs and reassurance from a higher power can be problematic for you and your manifestation and can actually slow it down. You see, with the law of attraction, what you focus on is what you get. Using all your energy observing for synchronicities or other signs will bring you just signs. But signs do not necessarily mean that your manifestation is coming. Sometimes signs are just an indication that the law of attraction is working. So, by asking for a sign whether or not your desire will manifest, you sow doubt in yourself and your inner power as a creator. With those limiting beliefs about yourself, you create more resistance. You sow doubt that you are not in alignment with yourself as a creator, and you don't believe that you can actually manifest your reality. You are insecure and unaware of your abilities to create, and that is pushing your desires away. Now let's see how to fix this and how the bridge of incidents plays a major role. So you are asking the signs from whom? You are the creator. There is no other creating source outside of you. And remember, creation is finished according to Neville Goddard. If you are living in the end, and if you lived from the whistle field, you wouldn't need any signs. Your desire is done. Creation is finished. The only thing that you have to realize is that once you plant the seed, the bridge of incidents will lead you to your manifestation. The Creator is within you, and everything you're experiencing is coming from you and your assumptions. Remember, you don't need signs to remind you that you are a creator. You create every element in your world. Your external world is a reflection of your inner state, just a mirror for your inner world. Neville Goddard teaches, everyone is you pushed out. Everything is you pushed out. Your current reality is a manifestation of whatever is inside of you. And that's exactly what it means. Signs follow, they do not precede. Neville Goddard. Your manifestation is your sign. Now you can try watching these videos, they will be very helpful for you.